In this video, we're going to take a look at using a plough plane to cut a groove and how we set this up. Now this is actually a culmination plane, which is an adjustable piece of equipment that you can use as a plough plane or a rebate planer. With that sliding section taken off there and the clamp for the plough plane in place, it essentially just works as a plough plane like you might have in the workshop. Now we've got the fence on the side here. Now that's adjustable. Obviously we have to slacken the adjustment nuts, move it into place and then tighten those back up again. We need to make sure that the fence is sitting at a set distance from the blade itself. So we're not looking at the skate down at the bottom, we're looking at the actual tip of the blade. And that distance has to be set up. Now once it has been, you can tighten it back up with the adjustment nuts and that is now locked. That's going to set how far the groove is from the edge of the piece of wood when we start cutting. The depth stop on the side that you can see here sets how deep the groove is going to be cut. Again, we have to set this up by adjusting it relative to the tip of the blade. So looking specifically at the tip of the blade. This will prevent us from going deeper than we intend to and lets us set up the size that we're after. The width of the groove is defined by the width of the blade, and they can usually be changed out for different sizes. The technique, we need to make sure the fence is held firmly up against the edge of the piece of wood. We're not going to try and do a full pass right at the start. We're going to take out the corner first and gradually bring that back into a longer motion going side to side as we go. That just helps to give us an easier cut and a much clearer, more defined groove. Once we get deep enough, the depth stop will hit the surface of the piece of wood and stop us from going any further, and we're done.